We are pleased to show you the 2010 Caliber. The Dodge Caliber is unique inside and out. Its sassy, smart exterior styling combines with numerous clever interior features, such as a flip-out iPod holder and a chilled glove box compartment. You'll love the smoothness of the transmission and the quietness of the cabin. A joy to drive. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, rear spoiler, fog lights, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power windows, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.